Welcome back.
Hi everyone, welcome to Hinson's Multi-Department.
Glad you're back.
We can't wait to get this year underway. We're going to show you around our department, and we have 3 classrooms for the 3 of us. I'm Tina Kantner.
I'm Misty Winslow.
And Miss Russo.
She doesn't have a first name.
You can't flip it while you're recording? Sorry.
This is Miss Russo's room. Come on in. So we've got our desk space for distance learning. We've got a work area. If we do an arts and crafts project, everyone has their own supplies separated. And we have a reading area and computers. Welcome to my room.
Hi guys, it's Miss Winslow, and this is our classroom. We have socially distanced tables. We have first then cards so we know what we're doing. We have clocks because we are learning to tell time. We have a calendar that we add to each day. We have our own supply boxes here with supplies for each individual student. We have computers that we use daily in the afternoon for reward time. And this is where Joseph sits. It's ready for him when he gets back from PE. This is where Blake sits. It's ready for him when he gets back from PE. And this is where Christopher sits. We have extra tables because some of our kids are on Volusia Live, and we hope they'll be back soon.
All right, hello, welcome. I'm Miss Kantner, and this is my wall of superheroes. We display their work every week and what they've been working on. Come on in. As they come in, they have to use their hand sanitizer. We have our job board. Each student picks their own job to do for the month, an entire month. They each have their social distance tables. Each student is assigned a color. And they have their own supplies at their desk. We use a daily schedule here, and as we complete each thing, we take it down. They get rewarded for their behavior and their money and their work, and their work with their money. So we put it up here. Each day we count it, and they get rewarded with free time on the computers. They each have their own laptop, and it's labeled with their color, so they never have to touch other laptops. And we have a craft space here with their corresponding pom-poms and areas distanced. Thanks for joining us. And this is our cooking calendar. Once a week, we each take our class in and teach them how to make their own food and their own snacks. So for independent skills and life skills. This is our kitchen, laundry area. We also come in here at dismissal and wait for our buses, so each table is labeled with names and numbers. So we're really lucky to have this space and use it for all of our wonderful students.
All right, well, thank you very much for joining us, and we hope to see everybody soon. Bye.